going to look at what? Something. Our bird nest. You can go this way.
This way?
Yeah, this way, this way. This way, to the pathway. Okay. Go to our bush. The hydrangeas bush over there. All the way, all the way. Our peony, the last one of the peonies. Huh? Lumapit ba yung bird? It's right here. Look, 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 look this way. There's a bird nest. There's a bird nest. And there's an egg. There's 3 eggs. There's 3 eggs. Look. You see it, Ate? Did you see it, little baby? Okay.
How do you find it?
Slow because I'm reading.
Let's go.
Alright. What you gonna say?
Thank you for showing me. Ready hatch.
Yeah, they hatched already. Where's Ate?
Where's the babies? Right there?
Yeah, yeah, go there. Be quiet.
These are the babies?
Little birds.
Where are the babies? Wait, which one are the babies?
You go walk this way now. You be quiet, okay? Yeah, it's right there. But they're still like bald. They're still babies.
Are they sleeping?
Yeah. But where's the mommy bird?
Probably getting food.
So there's only 2. There was 3 eggs, right? So maybe the other one didn't hatch. Did you see it? Yeah. Maybe that one is the mommy bird. Maybe that one. It's okay, mommy bird. We're not gonna disturb your babies anymore. Maybe that's the mommy bird. Look. Do you think that's the mommy bird? Yeah, maybe. Alright, mommy bird. We're gonna leave you alone. So maybe we're not gonna water that part because they will get disturbed. Alrighty. Where's the mommy bird? Oh, maybe. Where is it?
Wait, do
There's
birds
2 of
get
them?
married?
Well, they do get, you know, their partners. Maybe those 2. Maybe those 2 are the mommy birds and baby birds. I mean, mommy birds and daddy bird. Yeah, that one. Alrighty, now let's water the plants. We have more feathers now. Hello, baby birds. No, it's not opening, it's not. Hello, mommy bird. Do you think? Oh, look at our dahlias. They're starting. Oh, good. That one is trying. Is the bird still there?
Mommy, look. Oh my god.
Huh?
It's okay.
Huh?
Look, Mommy.
Look. What? Oh, they're still there. Hello, little bird.
Wait, what about the other one? Where's the other one?
Maybe the other one already flying.
Look, Mommy, it's cute. Oh wait, I think I see it. Wait, can I see it?
Maybe that's the mommy. See the mommies.
Is it still a baby?
Yeah,
Or is it a teenager?
it's a teeny bird.
What? So it's like a tween, like middle. That was so fast growing.
What is it doing?
It moved around.
It moved.
I see.
Did it turn? Ah! It jumped! Where is it? Little birdie, where'd you go? Huh?
Or did it just?
There's the little birdie.
Right there.
It went down the ground. Hello, little birdie. We're not gonna hurt you. There, it's running. It's escaping. It's flying. There it's blue.
That went somewhere.
See, the mommy is trying to follow it.
To cover it?
It's flying. No more baby birds.